Here at Piper's Farm, we are famous for our delicious natural sausages. And of course, to make the very best sausages, you need the very best meat. We use our native breed free-range pork trim and fat. Here in the UK, sausages are one of the most consumed ultra-processed foods, but there's absolutely nothing nasty about any of our sausages. The only things we add are gluten-free oats, along with water, salt and pepper, and that's it. All the ingredients get blended together and then put through the mincer. Then it's time to head over to our sausage making machine. The mixture is fed into these completely natural casings, ensuring that we really do get the very most out of each and every pig carcass that we process here at our butchery. A nose-to-tail approach is a huge part of our ethos. The sausages are separated and then blast frozen separately before being packed up, simply so that it's easier for you to take out exactly what you need when you need it. And there you have it, our delicious natural pork sausages. No additives, no rusk, no chemicals. This is pure, wholesome food, perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner.